Good day, class. Welcome back to Untitled Creole. This is lesson 9, Haitian Creole 101. And today we're going to be talking about articles. We have the definite article and then the indefinite articles. Now, in English, for instance, you would say the car. If you say the car, we're talking about a car that we know. If we didn't know, if you would say a car, that would be indefinite. But if you say the car, it's a car that we know exactly what car you're talking about. Now, the definite articles in Haitian Creole, they come after the word. They define after the word. Not like in English, French, or Spanish. In those three languages, the article comes before. I'm talking about the definite article. You will see why I keep mentioning that. Now, for instance, in English, for instance, you would say the car. In Haitian Creole, you wouldn't say the car. You would say car first. Car is machine. Machine, and we say machine. No. Here is your article right here. Machine. No. If I say machine, no, it's because I know what car we're talking about, what car we're referring to. Machine. No. So the article comes after. Right? Does that make sense? Now, here are the articles we have. For definite articles. We have a, la, un, no. A, la, un, no. That's singular. Now, for the plural, we have yo. Yo for the plural. Now, let's see what the words we already have on the board. How that's going to go for us. I have kai. I know you already look it up, you know what it means, right? That's a house. In English, you would say the house. In Creole, we would say kaila. In English, this is the yard. You would say the yard. In Creole, we would say la cour, la cour. I know you already have a question in your mind. When do I know it's la? When do I know it's a? Let's stick it the way it is for now, and then we'll explain that later. Kaila, la cour, balcon. Balcon is balcony. Balcon, un. Balcon, un. Balcon, un. Porte, porte là. Fenêtre, fenêtre là. Barrière, barrière. Parking, parking non. One thing that makes the difference between the article, which one we're going to use, it's the sound that comes before it. If this sound is a nasal sound that comes from your nose, it will be no. Like this one. King. King. No. You will see nasal sound. Anytime, like for instance, carbon, nasal sound, it will be no. Carbon no. Carbon is the bed. Carbon no. Chambre, same thing. No. Chambre no. Cuisine, no. It ends with a nasal sound, most likely be no. Salon, salon. Salle à manger, salle à manger. Toilette là, toilette là. Table là. Chaise là, chaise là. Four. Okay? So now, if it was plural, if I was talking about many houses, I would say kai yo, la cour yo, balcon yo, porte yo, fenêtre yo, barrière yo, parking yo, salon yo, salle à manger yo, cuisine yo, chambre yo, toilette yo, cabane yo, table yo, chaise yo, four yo. That's what it will be for the plural. Okay? So now, that is the definite one. Now, indefinite one. The indefinite one, we call it indefinite because it talks about numbers, kind of. Let's see, for instance, if I want to say a house, an apple, right? Now, an apple will be, in Haitian Creole, when it's indefinite, the article comes first. We just saw When it's definite, the article comes after. But if it's indefinite, the article comes first. For instance, as I was saying, an apple, yon pomme, yon pomme, yon, yon. For indefinite articles, it comes before the word. And for singular, it's yon. Yon. Yon kay, yon lakou, yon balcon, yon porte, yon fenêtre. It does not precise which one. That's what the indefinite is. It does not precise which one we're talking about. Versus when you say the house, you know which house. But when you say a house, it's just indefinite. You didn't precise which house it is. So that's it. It's yon kay, yon lakou, yon balcon, yon porte, yon fenêtre, yon barrière, yon parking. Right? And if it's definite, then you have the article right here. Again, kaila, lakua, etc. Alright? For the plural, you're gonna have many words for it. You can see them on your screen. Those words you see on your screen, they don't tell you a specific numbers. For instance, détour. When you say détour, you know how you say a couple in English? Normally, when you say a couple, it should be two. But you know how a lot of times you say a couple and it's like, it's not many, but it's not two either. It's like 3, 4, 5, right? So in that context, that's what détour is. Détour, literally speaking, it should mean 2 or 3. That's what détour. Dé is 2, toi is 3. But when we say détour, it's definitely more than détour. But it's not a lot. It's to say it's not a lot, right? It's a few. That's what it means. That's what détour would be. Plusieurs. Plusieurs is many. Many. Plusieurs is many. Yon paquet. Yon paquet is also many. It's a lot. If you say yon paquet, it means it's a lot. Yon paquet. Yon pile, same thing. Yon bon, same thing. Yon paquet, yon pile, yon bon means a lot. Alright? Means a lot. Got a pen and a piece of paper. We're moving to our dictation. And now, it's not just word. It's sentence. You ready? Okay, I can see you already. Here we go. Gade yon kay was. Gade yon kay was. Gade yon kay was. Kay la belle. Kay la belle. Reme Kaila. Reme Kaila. Mais moins pas reme couleur. Mais moins pas reme couleur. Moins vle yon kay kon sa. Moins vle yon kay kon sa. Mais yon lot koule. Mais yon lot koule. Tout kay yo bel nan zon sa. Tout kay yo bel nan zon sa. Now let me just go over it and read it for you again. Gade yon kay wos. Kay la bel. Mreme kay la. Mais mwen pa reme koule ya. Mwen vle yon kay kon sa. Mais yon lot koule. Tout kay yo bel nan zon sa. That's what you have. So now, you want to correct it right now? Let's do that. Let's write. Gade yon kay wos. Gade yon kay wos. Gade yon kay wos. Kay la belle. Kay la Belle. Kay la belle, mwen men kay la. Mwen men kay la. Men, mwen pa remen koule a. Men, mwen pa remen koule a. Mwen vle yon kay kon sa. Mwen vle yon kay kon sa. Men yon lot koule. Yon kay kon sa, men yon lot koule. Men yon lot koule. Tout kay yo bel nan zon sa. Tout kay yo bel nan zon sa. Okay? That is it. Did you get it like this? This one I'm going to translate it for you in English. Alright? So that's it. Gade yon kay was. Look at a pink house. Kay la belle. The house is beautiful. Mwen men kay la. I love the house. Men mwen pa remen koule, but I did not like its color. Mwen vle yon kay kon sa. I need a house like just like that. Men yon lot koule, but a different color. Tout kay yo bel nan zon sa. All the houses in this area are beautiful. That is it. So now, let's go to our next slide for our conversation.